A full chicken dinner baked in one single pan. It's the kind of no-fuss, satisfying meal you want to give to the family each night. Jacqueline Gunderson is here to share how she does it. And I'm gonna try real darn hard to concentrate on what you're saying, but the smell in here is off the charts.
So good, right?
It smells, it smells so good in here.
What's great about it too is it's light, it's fresh, it's easy to put together. I like buying actual disposable pans as well at the dollar store, easy to grab, so I don't have to do dishes at the end of the day once it's done.
You say this is your go-to dish.
This is, my kids love this. It's super easy. I grab one of the chickens at the store.
Time out. Why wouldn't I reach for the rotisserie chicken?
I was gonna get to that.
Oh, okay, go ahead. Go ahead, resume. You're going for the real deal though here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I like to grab these chickens rather than the ones that are already ready. I feel like those ones are just kind of basic. It's just a basic chicken. There's no flavor to it. This one I can get all my veggies done at one time on top of the protein. I have a whole complete meal in one pan and I'm done.
So you like the control, being able to pack in that flavor.
I do.
Okay, all right.
Yep, I love the flavor mixture. I like that it's all going in at one time. I don't have to grab the chicken, then go home and cook vegetables to have a complete meal. I can do it all in one pan.
I think you just sold me right there.
Yeah, it's
Sorry
really
for the
fun.
interruption.
No, you're fine.
It was worth the wait.
I know.
I liked the answer.
And it's fun, and it's easy to put together. Don't be intimidated by a whole raw chicken. It's very easy. You get it packaged, take it out, clean the outside out, put it in the garbage, and then it's set. You're ready to go.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do today is something really light and fresh for springtime. We're gonna do lemon rosemary, and it's made with a butter sauce that goes over it so that it will be crispy, yummy, delicious, fresh. It's wonderful for springtime. Kids love it.
Is that what I'm smelling, the
yeah,
rosemary?
the rosemary mixed with the lemon is always a good combination.
Hey, show us,
So
sister.
what we're gonna do is we've got 2.5 sticks of melted butter. Now, we don't do this on the pan. I don't want to pre-cook anything. Just melt the butter.
Okay.
We want all the flavors to infuse while it's baking in the oven.
Okay.
So what we've done, we've got 2.5 sticks of melted butter. I've grabbed 3 lemons. I've pre-sliced them. I've got some butter set aside too for slices that we'll put under the skin.
Okay.
So we have this all set up. What we're going to do, we mince the rosemary. And what's important to remember when you're doing rosemary, you pull the pieces off, create yourself a little pile, but when you're mincing it, try to not have your knife slide. That's going to bruise the rosemary. It's not going to have very great flavor. It'll turn brown really quickly. So be firm with your rosemary and just
bruise the rosemary.
Yes, you can bruise it.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
I didn't even know it was an offense.
I know. So just be firm with it. You want nice small pieces, and you'll see it all come together just like this.
Okay.
Nice pieces. So we're going to go ahead and add that right in there to our butter mixture. You can do as much rosemary or as little as you want. Depends on how much you like. So after that, we're going to go ahead and zest. You can do, again, as much lemon as you want. Grab your little zester and just start zesting this skin for it.
I love this time of year when we start to reach for the fresh citrus because you know what's coming. Spring and sunshine.
Yep, exactly. And this is like a great intro into spring meal. That's just, you know, you're ending winter. You still want that comfort food, but it's light enough that, you know, it's wonderful for springtime. So you do 2.5 lemons like that, and then go ahead and squeeze that juice right in there.
Okay.
And that's going to add some really good flavor.
Lemon
so we've
juice
got
in the butter.
In the butter, right
butter.
in there. Mix it up with 1 tablespoon.
What's that?
Lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper.
Yep. So go ahead and mix that all up.
Okay.
Right in there. Now when we go to pay attention to our chicken, what we're going to do is we're actually going to take slices of butter and we're going to go under the skin. You can see where the skin starts to separate from the meat right there. Go ahead and take slices of butter and just get it right in there.
Just get in there,
Just get in there.
Okay.
Get comfortable. It's your chicken after all.
Take control is the
There's no boundaries anymore, okay, with this chicken.
We're all friends.
We've already cleaned out the chicken. Just now we're going to go ahead and put butter right up in there. Take a slice of lemon you can put right up in there as well.
So you're flavoring literally kind of from the inside out.
Yep, it's going to infuse really nicely while it's in the oven.
Okay.
You can put that in there. You can grab even a fresh thing of rosemary. Just have fun with it, how much flavor you want.
That's not bruised, is it?
No, it's not bruised.
Okay,
I
just making
really
sure.
baby my rosemary here. So go ahead and put that right in there.
Okay.
Let that sit. You can take the lemons that you've squeezed a lot of the juice out. Go ahead and put that inside.
So there's no recipe here, no rhyme or reason.
Do as much as you want or as little as you want.
Okay.
So you'll learn what flavors you really like with it. When we go to put it into the pot, we're going to do this in a system. So there's a way that I like to do it. You can do it how you want, but the best way I found for vegetables was to put the vegetables on the bottom first.
I'm doing it your way.
Yes, it's wonderful. So you can layer this down into the pot. You can use a disposable pan. I like the deep roasting pans, are wonderful as well. Just go ahead and get as many vegetables in there as you want. You'll then take the chicken, set it right on top, right in there.
Okay.
Put, you know, what you want on it. You've got your lemons here.
More.
Yes, lemons. If you're going to make a lemon chicken, just make a lemon chicken, right?
Go big or go home.
Go big or go home. Just do it right.
Says this chicken. Okay.
Right? So then we're going to take our butter sauce here. and we're gonna start pouring it over.
My mouth is, I'm salivating. This looks so good.
Pour over that chicken.
Okay, and so far I could do it. So far I'm saying, yeah, dinner can be done.
This is so easy. So after you got in here, start filling the sides around with vegetables as well.
Okay.
Just really get it in there.
A great Sunday alternative too, right, for families who are used to roast.
Easy.
Or...
Yes, and this actually, what's great about this too, you can totally do it in a crock pot.
Oh.
Do it in a crock pot, set it, and just let it go for the day.
Set it and forget it.
Absolutely.
More butter on top.
Yep, you're just covering it. You want it to be super good.
How do we bake this guy, Jacqueline?
Super easy. Put some foil over it. For every pound that the chicken is, 20 minutes at 350.
A formula, I love it.
So easy.
Okay.
So this one's about 5 pounds, so you'd go for about 2 hours.
Just let it go.
And foil, cover your chicken. I don't like a dry chicken.
No,
so
who
cover
does?
it. Yep, cover it, put it in the oven.
Beautiful this comes out.
Yep,
Any
comes
veggie
out so good.
alternatives we can reach for?
So what I really like to do, if you're wanting to incorporate more greens, like asparagus even, or Brussels sprouts here, 30 minutes before you take it out, go ahead and put some around the sides if you've left room to spare, if you know you're going to. Pour more butter over it, cover it back up, and put it back in the oven. So then you'll have fresh Brussels sprouts with it, or asparagus, or whatever you choose to do.
I want to hang out at your house. Is this dinner every night?
I wish. Yes.
But you're inspiring and teaching us all how to bring this dinner to the table
Yes.
occasionally through your new classes.
Yes, we're holding cooking classes. We want people to be capable in their own kitchens as well. So as much as I would love to feed people and have you come to my store, I want you to feel comfortable in your own
Because
kitchen.
you do that too. You offer meals through
Jacqueline Cooks, my
Jacqueline
storefront in
Cooks,
Riverton. Yes.
But now classes too.
Yes. Yeah, we want everyone to feel comfortable in their own kitchen. I mean, there's days where you're not going to have time to cook, come to my store, but the times that you're able to, we really want you to feel empowered in your own kitchen.
How can we see the class schedule?
So we're going to be posting it on our Facebook page regularly. We also do emails, so you can get an email if you sign up for our emails, and yeah.
I am inspired with this meal, and those classes sound like a lot of fun as well. You're the
Yeah.
kind of person we want to learn from. So thank you.
Yeah, thanks for
so
having
much.
me again.